Hello programmers, in this video we're going to discuss about how to create a new column in Apache Spark Dataset using Scala. Let's get into the program. So this is a simple JSON file which we're going to use, which is having the fields like title, first name, gender, mobile and array of address. Fine. So you can see this is a simple Scala object. It's a simple main function, and here I just creating the Spark session object. Here I just reading the load the JSON file into the Spark dataset with the option multi-line as a true, and here I just display all the record. Fine, let's see how to create a new column. So need to access the dataset, and here we need to call the with column. So first parameter we need to define the column name, new column, and the second thing, what the value we have to define for that column. And if you want to define any constants, we have to access the lit function. And let me import that. It is available in functions. Yeah, same. That's all. Let assign it to some object. Okay, and next I'm just printing the schema, and later I just printing the record. So just a similar way, we'll create empty header with empty values, which means there is no header. Without header we can create the column. You can see here, no header, and we printing the schema and we display the same. And just similar to that, we'll create integer column, int column. So I'm just removing the double quotes and directly mention as the integer number, it's 100, and assigning to some object, printing the schema, display the record. Just similar to that, I'm going to create some string column. So the field has to be given, the value has to be given within the double quotes, and I'm going to use some data which is string. And I'm going to print the schema, and I'm going to display the record. Now I'm going to create a new column with the values are the values are combinated with the help of existing column. And let's see. So if you want to access the existing column value, we supposed to use call function, which is available in functions. Call, yes. So what we can do, we can access title, first name. Yeah, title, first name. So how we can access? So we're going to use more than two columns, right? So first of all, we have to concat. We need to concat, and within the concat we have to define the first column name, so which is title, and the next thing, comma separated with we need space between the title and the name, right? So we need some space which is constant, so I'm going to use the little inside the space. And so here I'm going to use the call, due to I'm going to access the first name column. So call title little space, yes, and here we need to change into existing value and printing the schema for that, displaying the record. Let's see. I'm just going to run the program. Fine, it's got completed. We'll see the existing column, how it's work in the combination of existing field in the data type is string for that, and then you can see the title is Mr. The first name is James, and then title is Miss, and the first name is Sophie. Then Mr. George is Lexi, and the next thing, string column. We can see the data type is string in the schema, and then values here, and next integer column. So you can see in the schema the data type is integer and the field value is, and let's see the empty. This for the integer. You can see there is no header, there is no value, but there is a column. So this is the data type. So there is no header value, but it's a data type is string. By default, it's assumed as a string. So there is an header, but there is no field values. So you can see the schema, the new column, and it's a data type is string. So this is nothing but it's a source data, which is the JSON. Fine, that's all about creating the new column in Apache Spark Dataset using Scala. If you have doubt or clarification, please share in the comment section. Thanks for watching.